Hello yarn lovers! Today I'm going to show you how to crochet the Silt Stitch. Now if you haven't used this stitch before, it's really beautiful. It creates a really nice texture. It's a simple one row repeat and it's super simple to crochet. It looks exactly the same on the front as it does on the back, and you could make all sorts of things with this stitch. Perfect for blankets, scarves, hats. So today I'm just going to use this paint box yarn, Simply Aran, for the purpose of the tutorial, and a 5.5mm hook. You can use any yarn you like, just use the hook recommended on your yarn ball band. So I'm just going to start with a slip knot on my hook, and you need a multiple of 2 for this pattern. So go ahead and make your chain as wide as you need your project to be in multiples of 2. Now I'm going to start by working into the second chain from the hook, so it's 1, 2, and I'm going to put a half double crochet in there, and into the next chain a single crochet, and the following chain a double crochet. Now we're just going to alternate between a single crochet and a double crochet, and we're going to do this all the way across till we get to that last stitch. So that's single crochet, double crochet, single crochet, double crochet, and single crochet, and in this last stitch we're going to end just how we started, with a half double crochet. And then we'll chain 1 and turn. This chain 1 doesn't count as a stitch, and so now this row is going to be exactly the same as the previous row. It's just very simple one row repeat. So in this first stitch it's always going to be a half double crochet, and the next stitch single crochet, and then a double crochet, and we're just going to repeat this all the way across. Single, double, single, and double. So you'll just keep going across, alternating between single crochet and a double crochet until you get to that last stitch, and in this very last stitch it's going to be a half double crochet, and then you chain 1 and turn, and we just start again. So that's half double crochet in that first stitch. And the way you can remember what you need to do is, you can see here this first stitch is a single crochet from the previous row, so you're going to put a single crochet into a single crochet. When you get a double crochet from the previous row, you'll put a double crochet. So you're always matching the stitches up. Single crochet, double crochet, and it really is that simple. And then end with a half double crochet, and just rinse and repeat, and you'll end up with something that looks just like this. Now if you would like to see me make a full project using this stitch, if you'd like to see a scarf or a hat or some mittens or anything you like, just pop a message in the comments and let me know what you would like to see. This really helps to know what kind of videos that I make for you. So I hope you enjoyed learning the Silt Stitch, and if you would like to learn even more stitches, then why not check out this playlist next. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye now.